Hi there, today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you a quick tip on how to slice a lot of cherry tomatoes at once. This tip is super cool. It's a great way to save you time in the kitchen. So let's get started. Okay, so to start slicing our cherry tomatoes, we're going to need a couple of things. We need two just plastic lids. These are just from deli containers, and a really sharp knife. So those are the two main things that you need. So we're going to take the deli lid and I'm just going to fill it with my cherry tomatoes. Just kind of get them all in there. And the edges of the lid, I have the edge side up, so it kind of holds them in place. And I'm going to take the other lid and I'm going to put it edge side down, just set it right on top, put a little bit of pressure to hold it in place, and just run your knife. Oops. Get your pinky out of the way, right through, take the lid off, and voila, you have beautifully sliced, halved cherry tomatoes in a fraction of the time it would take you to do them all individually. You could run through this pint in no time flat. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below, and make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.